told a few of my viewers I'd do another video of what I've been up to lately. This is my little black truck I pull around a trailer. I just bought this car. Has a bad motor. This one's bad motor. You're bad. And I found a good motor. Put it back in here. Twin cam. Only 80,000 on that one. 80,000 miles on that one, which is not bad. But the car only has 110,000 miles on it. It's good shape. Oop. Don't tell nobody my hiding spot. See if she's locked. Oop. You see, detachable face, CD player, sunroof, all power. Could be yours. Just buy it from me. Well, I figured I'd show you a little bit what I've been doing. Maybe my hoses where they're at. Car sat for 5 years. Look at it.